3-day workshop on implementing the new development agenda.
We have got representatives from Indonesia and many countries overseas. We've got representatives of governments, private sector, consultancy firms and academia.
So we need to work together to trial different approach and tools and to learn together.
How do we actually work in a way when there's such strong vested interests who want things the same?
So what we'll do differently next time is actually maybe if you cannot bring in policymakers or other actors like private sector into the discussion, then maybe you will need an intermediary actor who can actually facilitate between the both of them that may have different interests.
I think everybody have a good engagement to discuss about how to really taking care of delivery.
I like that. What is new?
I hear from the people that is a big challenge, big complaint about one is about infrastructure, secondly about the agriculture infrastructure, third is about healthy service, public service and educational, and also that the government doesn't absent or doesn't present to the people as a public as a problem solver.
So we're very fortunate to have champions within the government who work with us to maneuver the political economy of issuing umbrella regulations that deviate from the business as usual.
We need to play politics smarter. We need to accumulate our knowledge. And navigating politics is no longer a luxury or optional. It's the core part of our development business. Thank you very much.